Are your Galaxy S25 Ultra buttons working perfectly? Let's find out. First, go to Settings, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under Additional Care section, tap Diagnostic. Then tap Phone Diagnostic to open the full list of tests. Look for the buttons icon and then tap it. If this is your first time, the test will start immediately. But if you have already tested it before, tap Test Again. You will be asked to press the volume up button, volume down button, and the side button. If all buttons are fine, it will show normal, meaning there's no issue found. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.